Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Let's briefly review the posterolateral capsular support structures today. The fibular head is an important anchor for the supportive structures of the posterolateral corner, serving as an attachment point for several key ligaments and tendons in this region. The distal tendon of the biceps femoris muscle merges with the lateral collateral ligament 1 cm above the fibular head, inserting as a single conjoined tendon onto the lateral aspect of the fibular head. The LCL inserts anteriorly, while the biceps femoris tendon inserts posteriorly on the lateral aspect of the fibular head and neck. The biceps femoris is divided into short and long heads, each with anterior and direct arms, but only the long head is highlighted in light green here. The LCL overlies the popliteus tendon at the level of the popliteus sulcus. The LCL insertion is anterior and lateral relative to the attachments of the fabellofibular and arcuate ligaments. The Popliteus musculotendinous complex, consisting of the popliteus tendon, popliteus muscle, and patellofemoral ligament. The popliteus tendon attaches to the popliteus fossa of the lateral femoral condyle, anterior and distal to the femoral origin of the LCL. The patellofebular ligament extends from the popliteus tendon near the myotendinous junction to the posteromedial aspect of the fibular styloid process, posteromedial to the biceps insertion. The arcuate ligament can be viewed as a thickening or reinforcement of the posterolateral capsule. It has a Y-shaped appearance and runs to the apex of the fibular styloid process. The lateral limb runs vertically and attaches to the lateral femoral condyle, inserting into the posterolateral joint capsule. The medial limb runs supromedially, attaching to the posterior knee capsule. The fabellofibular ligament descends vertically parallel to the lateral collateral ligament of the knee from the fabella and attaches to the fibular styloid process. Finally, the iliotibial band consists of two main layers with specific distal insertions. The superficial layer, which is the main tendinous component, inserts onto Gerdy's tubercle on the anterior lateral tibia. The deep layer attaches the superficial layer to the lateral supracondylar tubercle of the femur and blends into the intermuscular septum at the distal femur. Here, only the superficial layer is colored dark green. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.